Hi, my name is Liz Dale and I'm a registered nurse working with immunocompromised multi-organ transplant patients. BBW is participating in the home screening program as part of a rapid screening consortium. We hope this program will keep us all safe from contracting or spreading the COVID-19 virus. You have received a box of 25 rapid testing kits. Each kit contains a cardboard test tube stand, a plastic test tube with a white cap on the bottom, a blue cap, a buffering solution, a swab, and a rapid test device. So to start, have your cardboard test tube holder ready. You'll open the rapid test device, and this will be in there. There's a little package in there, you can just throw that out. It's in there just to keep the product dry. You're gonna take a Sharpie, and you'll wanna write the date on the top up here. Next, you're gonna take your test tube and your buffer solution, and you're gonna fill the test tube with the buffer solution up to the line, the little line here. It's about 12 drops. You can then place your test tube into your cardboard holder. Next, you're gonna take your swab. You can peel it open like a Band-Aid and pull out your swab. You're gonna take your swab and you're gonna insert it into your nose about 2 centimeters. You're gonna insert it into one nostril, twirl it around 5 times, and then 2 more for good luck. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one nostril, all the way in and around 5 times. 4, 5, and a couple other 2. And then do the other side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 for good luck. So you're gonna take that swab and you're gonna put it into your test tube, and you're going to twirl it around 5 times as well inside your test tube. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to pull it up and squeeze to squeeze out some of the liquid from the end of the test tube or end of the swab. And then you'll see a little divot there where you can break off the top of the swab and discard that part. You're going to take the blue cap and screw it onto the top because that will give it enough pressure for the next step. Your next step is you're going to take off the white cap, take your testing device, and put in 5 drops into the hole there. And once you finish that, this can just go in the garbage. And then you will wait 10 to 15 minutes for the test to be ready. So you will see the pink moving up, and after about 10 minutes, you'll see one line on the C, which indicates a negative result. If there are 2 lines, one on the C and one on the T, that indicates a positive result. After you have done your test, take a photo with your camera and upload it. Instructions on this process will come by email from BBW.